today's program with the idea of another life skill development where you can help to facilitate. At Personify, we work to facilitate and provide you with the skills, with the tools that can, give you the perfect packaging of your image. And without further ado, I would like to introduce and welcome our artist of today's workshop, the trainer for today's workshop, Miss Althea Shetty. She is someone who is a makeup educator with over 5 years of experience. She is also a consultant with 𝐈𝐦𝐚𝐠𝐿, which is an international beauty brand with a sister chain with 𝐿𝐼𝐸𝐾𝐭. If you've heard, it's a European brand. And also I would like to, add and say with a great delight, she's also a faculty with Personify. Althea, welcome and thank you for joining in.
Thank you so much, Tarveen, for this really warm welcome, and thank you for giving such good words about me. Hi everyone. I really hope that today whatever tips and tricks I give you is going to help you, because I know a few of them who are beginners and are a little nervous.
Get that sheen on your face. How is that, this color looking good on you? How do you do your eyes like that? These kind of questions always come up in our mind. So she's going to give you in that 10 minutes how you can do everything right from scratch. So please, without any distraction, be only focused on her. Don't try to make any notes. Don't worry about taking any snaps and everything. Look into it, and then she will take you step by step where we will open for Q&A thereon.